How powerful is Morocco's military? Shocking facts revealed. Many people think the military of Morocco is nothing special. But what if that's completely wrong? What if Morocco is quietly building a force that could reshape North Africa? Without much global attention, Morocco has been steadily modernizing its military, slowly, but consistently, and surprisingly, most people have no idea how far they've come. In the air, Morocco relies on the upgraded F-16 Fighting Falcon, equipped with modern systems and precision strike capabilities. They also operate the Dassault Mirage F1, still active after upgrades. Attack helicopters like the AH-64 Apache further boost their firepower. And most notably, combat drones like the Bayraktar TB2 are now part of their modern warfare strategy. On the ground, their strength is far from weak. The M1A1 Abrams serves as the backbone, heavily armored and highly destructive, supported by armored vehicles like the M109 Armored Personnel Carrier and artillery such as the M109 Howitzer. Morocco is capable of large-scale combat operations. What's often underestimated is their air defense. Systems like FD-2000B and Sky Dragon 50 can engage threats from long range. At sea, the FREM frigate protects strategic waters. So the big question is Morocco simply strengthening its defense or preparing for something much bigger? Because one thing is clear, a military buildup like this doesn't happen without a reason.